Hi. These are challenging times. Things are different. Something is happening to us. It's a little virus maybe, but the effect is quite big. And possibly there's a lot of fears and worries and whether on one's health or the economy and money and what will be after that. And whilst we cannot do much about what's going on outside of ourselves, there's a lot we can do about what goes on inside ourselves. And that's what I think, where we should put most of our effort, is to go inside this, in our life and see what is it that I can make in me to make me a better person. Rather than wait for a solution or something that will come from outside, either by the government or society or someone else, things that will change outside of ourselves. The area where we can do things is inside ourselves. Do something about the way we think and about the way we feel and what we think and what we feel and what sort of information we allow into ourselves, what sort of information we just say no, we are not interested. Because it's very easy to get caught by news and rumors and fake news and things that can tear you apart and pull you here and push you there, and one loses the sense of self and the sense of this inner gravity, the thing that connect us to life. So as we keep ourselves open and see what goes on and read the news every so often, best see what we can do in here. How can we use this time and make some useful changes in our life? And one of the best things to do is not to allow ourselves into any kind of mental processes about what if, and anything that remove us from now into a dangerous, awful future. But everything will be a disaster or whatever. Because the truth is that we don't know what's going to happen. And in many times we don't have any control about it. But we do have a control, or can have a little control about what's happening now, especially in us. So whenever you caught yourself going into a mental process about, about the future and how will I manage and what will happen tomorrow and what will happen, maybe I will get sick, or maybe someone that I love will get sick or will die, or all this maybe. Just stop yourself. And just say internally, I'm not going there. Just disallow it. And come back to your now. Because most of our fears, almost all our fears, come up when we remove ourselves from the now into a future, a thinking future. Where things can go wrong or will go wrong. And that creates a feeling. And the feeling is a painful feeling. Mostly. So try as much as you can to stay in the now. Think about what you can do today. What is it you can learn? What is it that you can practice? Maybe you can do things in the house. Maybe you can phone a friend. Maybe you can do an internal meditation or any kind of elevating process in you that will help you to relax and do some physical exercises, do breathing exercises. You can do tapping, whatever you can, just to relax yourself and stay in the now. It's really, really important. Also make sure that you sleep well, that you eat well, you spend time with your loved ones, you listen, take care. So, be kind to yourself, And whenever you can, be kind to other people as well. And remember, it will pass. Everything passes. This is a planet where things all the time changes. when we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But we can make sure, or we do some work and some process about what is happening now, especially in our life. Yeah? And this will also spread. It's also like a virus. Things like hope and trust and well-being and settlement and even joy and I think these things are also like viruses. They can spread from one person to the other. Yeah? And we strengthen us and we strengthen our friends and our circle of relatives and people that we are in contact with, and this will spread and spread and spread. So be kind to yourself whenever you can be kind to other people. Yeah? Stay connected internally. Take care. Let's make it together a better place for all of us. It can be done. Bye bye.